Hi Junior VASE artists! Today I'm going to show you 2 of the steps that you need to start working on for our Junior VASE artwork, which is due before April 17th, but at least on April 17th. Okay, let's look at the things you need to do. Alright, so here we are on the Junior VASE page. I'm going to go to classwork. You can see I have a countdown here. If you want to know how many days are left until our artwork is due, you can click here. One of the first things that I need you guys to do is, let's see, answer this question, please. All right, everyone needs to answer it. You need to tell me the name that you want to use for your artwork. So right now, when I signed you up, I left you with just a random name called Student Artwork 1, but that's totally boring. So I want you to look at your artwork and type in the answer to your question here. What's the title for your artwork? Now, the second thing that you guys need to start doing is working on your reference file. These are basically a document that you're going to submit along with your artwork, and it's going to show how you came up with the idea for your project. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at some examples. I know that I've been working with Amber on hers, so we're going to look at that one together. So here you see her name, Amber Tyler, and her number. If you need to know your number, please email me and I will let you know what it is. Then it says Junior VASE 2020-2021 reference file. Sources for your artwork. She wrote a story about the idea that inspired her art. These are the photos that she looked on while drawing. She didn't look at any photos, so she just said, my sketches, see below. Here are the sketches that she did when she was planning her artwork. So she has pictures from her sketchbook of all the thoughts she had and the way she thought about making her art. And then she is writing the idea that inspired the artwork here for the last question. All right. So what you want to do is fill out all of these. Let's see if we have another student who has started working on this. I saw that one of my other kids did, and I want to look at that with you guys. Okay, awesome. So these are Millie's. She needs to add her number here, so I will let her know what that is. These are the photos that she looked at while drawing, and these are photos that she took herself when she was at the store. She put the name here. I'm just going to edit that. Sketches that she did to prepare for her artwork, and the idea that inspired it. All right, so I want everyone to work on that this next week and make sure that you have your work turned in. I'm so excited to see what you guys make. So these are the first 2 things that you need to do: the name of your art and your PDF file explaining why you made your art and what all you looked at while making it. After that, there's going to be file that you turn in online, and I'll make another video explaining how to do that. If you have questions, please email me, ask me in class, whatever you need. I'm here for you guys. I love my Junior VASE artists, and I'm really excited to do this big competition with you guys who are putting yourselves out there. All right, bye.